Madaba, famously known as the City of Music, is one of the Jordan's most historic towns, attracting travelers with its Byzantine and Umayyad era music, art, churches, and culture charm. The hotels here range from heritage style stays to modern boutique properties, each offering firm Georgian hospitality. Here are the top 10 hotels in Madaba. The first one is Mosaic City Hotel. Mosaic City Hotel is one of Madaba's most recommended properties known for its clean, spacious rooms and modern amenities. The decor reflects the city's mosaic heritage, blending tradition with comfort. Guests enjoy the friendly staff and hearty breakfast featuring local specialties. Its location near St. George Church and the famous Madaba Web make it sightseeing is the second one is St. John Hotel. St. John Hotel offers a rooftop restaurant with stunning views of Nagawa's skyline, making the evening especially memorable. Rooms are stylish and well equipped with Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and comfortable bedding. The in-house restaurants serve both Jordan and international cuisine, catering to diverse plates. Guests often praise the helpful staff and great location near the attractions. The third one is Pilgrim's Guest House, located near the famous St. George Church. Pilgrim's Guest House is a favorite among spiritual travelers and tourists. The guest house provides simple yet clean rooms with all basic facilities. Guests love the calm, serene atmosphere that matches the religious significance of its site. A garden often a relaxing retreat after sightseeing. The fourth one is Madaba Hotel. Madaba Hotel is a budget-friendly choice offering simple accommodation in the heart of the city. Rooms are modest but clean with essential amenities like Wi-Fi and private bathrooms. Guests highlight the friendly service and welcoming atmosphere. The rooftop area provides lovely views of Madaba, especially at sunset. Its location near restaurants and markets make it convenient for exploring. The fifth one is Mount Nebo Hotel Apartments. For travelers looking for long stays or family comfort, Mount Nebo Hotel Apartment is an excellent choice. The property offers furnished apartments with kitchens, living areas, and spacious bathrooms. Guests appreciate the flexibility of cooking meals and the home-like atmosphere. Its location close to Mount Nebo, making it convenient for day trips. Service is attentive and the environment is peaceful, ideal for families and groups. The next one is Tel Madaba Hotel. Tel Madaba Hotel is a cozy boutique property designed with cultural touches. Rooms are modern with comfortable beds, neat bathrooms, and free Wi-Fi. Guests highlight the warm hospitality of the staff who provide guidance while exploring the city and nearby attractions. The on-site dining area serve fresh breakfast with local flavors. Its location makes it easy to read Madaba's historic churches and museums, a charming stay for culture-loving travelers. The next one is Mosaic City Hotel Apartments. These serviced apartments are perfect for travelers who want more independence. Each unit comes with a small kitchen, living space, and modern amenities. Guests enjoy the clean, well-maintained environment and friendly staff. The location provides easy access to supermarkets and local eateries. It is especially popular with long-stay visitors and families. Affordable prices add to its appeal. The next one is Black Ice Hotel. Black Ice Hotel is highly praised for its warm hospitality and homely vibe. Rooms are simple but spotless with all essential facilities. The breakfast is often mentioned as a highlight, featuring fresh and traditional Georgian items. The staff go out of their way to make guests feel comfortable. Its central location makes it convenient for exploring Madaba on foot, a perfect mix of portability and comfort. The second last is Ruman Hotel. Ruman Hotel is a family-run property that focuses on personalized service. Rooms are comfortable with cozy decor and modern convenience. The garden area is perfect for evening relaxation, while the restaurant offers both local and continental dishes. Guests love the peaceful environment and attention to detail. It's a great choice while those seeking a warm, family-like atmosphere. Its proximity to the main attraction is an added bonus. The last one is Mariam Hotel. Mariam Hotel is known for its friendly service and excellent outdoor food, making it stand out in Madaba. Rooms are clean, airy, and well maintained with private bathrooms and Wi Fi. The hotel's restaurants serve international and local dishes, while the poolside area is perfect for relaxation in warmer months. Guests highlight the professional yet welcoming staff. It's a comfortable mid-range option for both leisure and business travelers. Madaba combines history, spirituality, and modern comfort, and its hotel reflect the same charm. From boutique stays like Tel Madaba and Black Iris to larger properties like Mosaic City and Mariam Hotel, there's something for every traveler.